नहीं, मेरा
सीधा
सर लड़
बैठ
जाता
जाना,
है।
सीधा।
मेकिंग रील्स एवरीवेयर आई गो, आई बिकम अ छपरी।
कंटेंट फॉर नहीं बोलते,
हाँ?
छपरी नहीं बोलते।
बोलूंगा यार,
अरे
मैं
नहीं, और यही करेंगे।
वो छपरी बोल रहे थे अपने आप को।
हाँ,
ये हो गया हमारा, वो छपरी बोल रहे थे
हाँ,
आपको।
हाँ, okay.
चलो फाइन, वीडियो ऑन है।
Alright, hello, hi everybody. I'm Kamini,
एंड आई एम विनायक।
and we are Podneeti. This
Yes.
is our podcast. Welcome to our podcast. So, this is a format of the episode where we like to just drive around and talk, called Gedi Talk. हम आते हैं, गाड़ी में बैठते हैं, बकवास करते हैं, क्योंकि
उस एक ही रोड पे हम गाड़ी चलाते हैं, मतलब
एक रोड में।
फाइन, ये हमें नहीं बताना है बट हम बता देते हैं।
पर क्योंकि हमसे वीडियो पूरे बन नहीं रहे बहुत कोशिश के बाद।
यार आई थिंक वी शुड स्टॉप सेइंग दिस। हम हर वीडियो में स्टार्टिंग में ही बोलते हैं 3 हफ्ते बाद मिलना है,
वैलिड।
क्रिब नहीं करते हैं।
क्रिब तो करना
कर लेते हैं।
इज अ ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी। इंसान का कर्तव्य है क्रिब करना, बट नहीं, हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं पर हो नहीं पा रहा है फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ रीजंस एंड यू विल नो व्हाई। पर
you'll know why, because my recent obsession is running.
हाँ,
Yeah.
विनायक हर चीज से भाग रहा है। तो ओके, विद रीसेंट obsession, tell us why running, when did it start, what's up, and what's the greatest thing you've done with running?
The craziest thing lately I've done for running is 2 रात मस्त मैं नहीं सोया straight, क्योंकि मुझे 5 बजे सुबह जाना था दौड़ने के लिए। और
5 बजे सुबह
नहीं, that's not the main part. 5 बजे सुबह if you have to go for like 5-10 किलोमीटर रन, आपको 1 घंटे पहले उठ प्रिपेयर करना पड़ता है अपने आप को। इंस्टाग्राम ने बताया मुझे।
Wow.
You have to eat, you have to hydrate yourself, you
Warm
take
up.
electrolyte, warm up like 10 मिनट पहले।
हाँ।
You have to take electrolyte, you have to take coffee। मेरे से इतना सारा होता नहीं है, मैं बनाना खा लेता हूँ और कॉफी इलेक्ट्रोलाइट एक में मिला के पी लेता हूँ ठंडे पानी।
Nice.
That's what I do. And day 1 I went to Lodi Gardens. Day 2 I signed up for this Nike Pegasus 42 launch run. And I got accepted.
Fancy.
रील बना लिया हमने, उसे रील आएगी अब उसकी।
Please Nike, we'll post, please tag, like.
So yeah, both of them happened day before yesterday and yesterday.
Okay.
Great. And then I slept for like 11 straight hours after.
Oh, so this is a recent like abhi obsession.
No,
हाँ,
obsession
valid.
तो has started.
Yeah, you've been running for quite.
बिना month or
No, longer.
हाँ नहीं, बिना month I'm very
targeted about it.
हाँ.
Yeah, but you've been running for a bit, I think, after appearing on camera.
Like 10 years.
Yeah, okay.
Running
from things in life.
In life.
Philosophically running. But nice.
No.
Running is a good habit to get into.
It's very expensive.
How is literally running?
Gears.
Bhai.
ली नहीं है मैंने। कार्ट में सब कुछ है, लेकिन
But that's the thing. Why does any hobby become expensive the more you get into it?
Because आप पैसे कमाते हो, आपको लगता है कि कर लूंगा तो ये भी हो जाएगा।
Which is why my hobby and my recent obsession is sleeping. It's free. It's too good. And I can sleep for like 18 hours straight. And it's the best thing ever. It's too good. I recommend highly to anybody that is annoyed, depressed, anxious, do whatever, sleep. It's favorite. और अभी जैसा weather चल रहा है उसमें एकदम 24 पे crisp AC, fan full, a nice comforter. If you don't have AC, don't worry, cooler. It is too good. मैं highly recommend. But that's my recent obsession where I do things that help me sleep better, because मेरा sleep quality, touch wood, is anyway great. I don't wake up to pee in the middle of the night. I don't snore. I have none of those problems.
How do you know you don't snore?
Because I slept with people abhi on family vacation. I was sleeping with my sister and her child. Not people like that, but I was sleeping next to people, and that child is very sensitive to noise. So वो थोड़े से भी आवाज में,
yeah, baby was sleeping like a baby.
हाँ, and I also slept like a baby along him. So मजा आया.
What's been your recent update?
My recent obsession, first I'll get to, is sleeping better, more than I normally do. एक second. This is a little bit of a hectic turn, and nobody's giving me a little bit of a pass. So my recent obsession is
spot supercars in Delhi, very common.
Ooh, but okay. So there's a Wang nerve or something that's in your stomach, which you should cater to before you sleep, which is really good. I highly recommend for anybody that sleeps well or does not sleep well.
Eat food and then sleep.
No, don't eat food and sleep immediately. Sit for a bit. Like after your dinner, you should sit for like 1.5 hours and not immediately lie down.
मैं एक और सोने के लिए अच्छी चीज बताऊं?
हाँ, मैं बताती हूँ पहले। मेरा obsession है ये।
चावल दाल दही।
Yes, but that's good for afternoon naps. For then you wake up, अगर रात में ये करके सोओगे तो सुबह एकदम bloated bloated उठोगे. Which is why what you should do is you should cool your neck, especially with this weather. Put like a damp cloth over your neck before sleeping. Do box breathing before sleeping, and you like massage your stomach before sleeping. You wake up and you're not bloated, you're not annoyed. 8 hours, 6 hours, and that sleep will feel top notch.
Right,
So
take melatonin 3 mg.
don't pop pills.
No, melatonin is a hormone. No, you
Yes,
take.
but don't pop pills. Why do you want to pop pills?
Just take melatonin
No,
3
no, no.
mg,
Don't.
and you'll sleep like baby.
Yeah, but don't pop pills to sleep. I don't agree with that science. So that's my recent obsession. What's your latest updates, Vinayak? What have you been up to in life?
Latest updates have been going.
Why is that cop here? Who's coming here?
पुलिस ने पकड़ी है किसी को, भागो यहाँ से.
Hmm.
What all have you heard? लोग पुलिस को क्या बुलाते? मामा,
ठुल्ला.
ठुल्ला, and
Mamu, Thulla. I know pigs, but that's
pigs.
pigs.
But
But
इंडिया में थोड़ी pigs बोलते होंगे. English में बोलते
I know a little bit of South Delhi people that call them pigs. These pigs. So pig. What else are cops called? Cops are also called Jaldi Bhaga because the moment you see them, you're like Jaldi Bhaga.
निकल निकल यहाँ
निकल
से.
यहाँ से.
ध्यान से ध्यान से.
ध्यान से ध्यान से.
सीधा बैठ. टुटा हटा.
Sober
चालू
दिख.
छुपा.
Sober दिख.
Yeah,
But yeah.
a lot of words.
A lot
have
of
been
words,
spoken.
names for recent obsession. Sorry, done updates.
No,
Vinayak.
there has been one more obsession. I have been confused in buying a shoe. नहीं, English गलत बोल दी ना मैंने.
नहीं, I have been confused in buying a shoe. सही तो है?
I have been confused in buying a shoe.
Buying shoes.
Buying shoe.
About. Sorry.
Recent obsession has been मैं जूता 2 है मेरे पास कार्ड.
ये मैं काट दूंगी पूरा. एक recent obsession बहुत ज्यादा है.
एक क्या था रनिंग.
रनिंग तो बहुत है ना वो.
कनेक्ट कर दो. यार my one another recent obsession रनिंग से related है is like shoes. 2 जूते हैं जिसमें बहुत ज्यादा confused हूँ. One is the new Pegasus that I've run in and the other is that
ran in. क्या है?
95 ही आए
English.
थे. 5 मार्क्स तो कहीं तो दिखेंगे.
ठीक है. और what's been updates though? मतलब क्या चला है जिंदगी में अभी?
Updates has been a little travel. There is a wedding coming.
That is to happen. What are updates?
I am telling you there is a wedding coming and उसका तो preparation है. हमें strictly बोला गया है पुराने repeat किए हुए कपड़े, पुराने कपड़े repeat नहीं करने हैं.
Oh my god.
Mix and match नहीं करना है. और मैं मान भी रहा हूँ because
Wow.
they are close
Close
friends.
friends.
5 रील बनानी है मुझे उस पूरी शादी में.
Love it.
Yeah, so
Are we getting paid for it?
no.
नहीं तो पॉड नीति भी पोस्ट करेंगे.
पॉड नीति से ही पोस्ट करेंगे. सब कोलैबोरेट करेंगे हम.
Sure.
So that has
And
been what's yours?
my updates have been in the last GT we spoke, I think I spoke about quitting.
And now?
I'm not quitting.
Yeah.
I can't quit at the moment. I have responsibilities.
money.
Yes, money, but also responsibilities. Plus, I love my job. There's no doubt of that. I just don't enjoy the people I'm working with at the
Arey,
moment.
bhai, you can't say it loud.
I will say it. I'm not taking names, and I will take names also if you pay me enough. So I don't enjoy the people that I'm working with right now. But it's fine. It'll pass.
There are people that you like also, no? You're working
At
with.
work, I'm not work. Bhai, to the people I like, I don't work with enough at work.
Do they see our podcast?
Yes.
And they'll get.
Yeah. Drama, but don't care. But yeah, I'm not quitting anymore because I can't. I have responsibilities and stupid time to quit because AI and layoff in US and all of this. But ठीक है, देख लेंगे, हो जाएगा. The other update is I took a break. I think that was Nessie. The last time I took a break was last year in August. उसके बाद मैंने leaves ही नहीं लिए. Can you imagine?
Great.
Which is why I took like a full week off and I went to Corbett with family. And it was great because we had a child who was excited at everything. So I said, duck, sheep, duck. वो घास झूला सब पे excited था वो. There was a horse there called Zumeria and if you ask the child अभी भी कि शानू Zumeria कैसे करता है, he'll be like I love traveling with kids. It's nice as long as it's yours. किसी और का annoying होता है, तुम्हारा नहीं. So that's been my recent update. Yeah, that's been fun. And हम shoot क्यों नहीं? Shoot actually okay. हम इसके बाद crib नहीं करेंगे इस बारे में and I'll put everything to rest in this last
नहीं यार
bit.
कर सकते हैं crib. It's okay. थोड़ा सा
Crib तो करेंगे ही. Crib is nice. हाँ, but just to set record straight, we've shot a lot. The problem is one, our editor Shubham, this is for you. I will call you out by name. और अगली बार अगर अपने कंपनी का नाम नहीं चाहिए तुझे, तो please edit करके दे वीडियो ठीक से. We have an editor that who
we pay
also
for.
yes, but who also works with me at work, at my job, and that's how we met. And he's very nice. He's lovely, but he's completely forgotten I have this side hustle because I also forgot.
And stuff,
Yeah, he's too good. He's very nice with edits and all of that. But वो बस इतना time लेता है ना कि तुम भी भूल जाते हो कि तुमने कुछ दिया था. था, तो दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम दैट वी ट्राइंग टू टैकल। और खुद एडिट करने की तो
अब
एनर्जी
नहीं
नहीं है
रही।
अब, क्या पहले भी नहीं थी हमारे पास
प्लस
एनर्जी।
हम बहुत मिड एडिटर हैं।
हाँ,
Mid.
या there's professionals that clearly know the job, तो वो ज्यादा अच्छा करते हैं, इसलिए उन पे छोड़ा हुआ है, इसीलिए हमें थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है। just bear with us, हो जाएगा, सब सही हो जाएगा। I think at one point in life जब तुम मर
And
जाओगे।
I was told थोड़े दिन पहले I met someone and
नहीं,
she
I want to post this as a poll.
yeah post this as a poll.
We'll tell you the situation. You tell us whether this was a compliment or an insult, because we have
No,
differing
because I am
opinions.
taking it as a compliment.
I take it as an insult.
And I was told
will.
I was told to take it as a compliment.
Of course, that's
Yes.
like no offense. Of course, taken.
So I was told, I was showing this our beginning का video to a girl. अभी beginner ही है, but starting का video to a girl, and she was like, ठीक है, अच्छा है, you can do better. मैं बोला मतलब? Then she says, you have to start low to go higher.
I take it as an insult.
Okay, but वो starting की videos थे.
Valid, and they were shit. I agree.
And they were editing का flaw था, बहुत सारे flaw ही थे.
हाँ,
But it's great
शुरू के
ना?
videos तो,
हाँ.
and imagine
Exponential
this
growth
is
के लिए expo तो होना चाहिए.
yes, but imagine this is video that we edited and thought was nice.
Nice.
There are
And I
things we've
still-
not posted. Please
Yeah,
understand.
which we thought were not nice.
तुम वो सोचो वो क्या ही क्वालिटी रही होगी। 3-4 है वो शूट जो
क्या ही कपड़े पहने कैसे ऐसे बैठे हुए हैं।
गेस्ट्स हैं उसमें जो गेस्ट्स नहीं थे उस टाइम पे।
हाँ, और
बहुत
अब-
उसमें ड्रामा तो भाई,
Great.
पोज लाफ्टर है, इट फील्स लाइक एन एपिसोड ऑफ फ्रेंड्स। भाई गलत है वो तो वीडियोस
Feels like
गलत है,
an
बट ठीक है,
episode of Friends.
इफ वी एवर मेक इट
If you
बिग
ever make it big, तो ये
तब
सारे
रिलीज।
videos
हाँ,
be
imagine
posted.
years later we're at Coachella and our account gets hacked and those videos get published. हम रो रहे होंगे हमारा अकाउंट हैक हो गया कोचेला में, बट आई एम वाइपिंग माय आईज विद डॉलर बिल्स। नहीं, those are not our aspirations, and
So why?
I don't want to go to Coachella. Do you want to go to Coachella?
Yeah.
रेगिस्तान में गर्मी में किसको नाचना है भाई? Vinayak will go to Coachella in a hot cowgirl outfit, and that if you want to see. Yes.
Yes, because famous. No.
Vinayak will go. Okay.
Gone.
All right. And that's the update for the past few weeks. Review mirror नहीं दिख रहा है।
पानी है क्या हमारे पास?
नहीं यार, आइसक्रीम वाला भी रोका नहीं है।
ध्यान ही नहीं रहा.
पानी साइड में होना चाहिए तेरे देखने का।
इधर नहीं है.
पीछे भी नहीं है।
कुछ नहीं है. उधर नहीं है. और उधर नहीं
वे
है.
रुक जा। नहीं,
It's okay, it's okay.
नहीं है।
मेरे बैग में खाने का कुछ नहीं है. चलो.
बैग है तेरे पास, बैग में पानी नहीं है।
यार वो पिटारा नहीं लाया मैं इस बार भानुमति वाला. You know there's this thing.
भानुमति का बेटा रे।
देखो ना मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. There's this thing called as भानु.
Why you so weird with
अरे
that?
because
Men.
nipples दिखने लगते हैं ना कभी-कभी तो उसको छुपाना पड़ता है. We also have nipple problems. Nip slips.
Nip slips.
Nip slips.
Faux pas. Hmm.
Faux तो is different ना.
Fashion faux pas is when you mess up with fashion.
No.
Yes.
Oh, that's faux pas.
Faux pas नहीं, faux pas.
मैं पता है क्या बोल रहा था
हाँ.
faux pas मतलब.
Fupa.
हाँ,
You were
start
thinking
up a
this.
pussy
हाँ,
area.
हाँ, हाँ. No, that's fupa.
Anyways,
हाँ.
सब रोलिंग है. फिर से चेक कर लेता हूँ. गाली नहीं खाना है मुझे. हाँ.
गाली तो खाएंगे।
यार व्हाट वाज दैट थिंग जिसके बारे में हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे लास्ट टाइम, जिसमें हमने सोचा था कि इस पे वीडियो बनाएंगे, मस्त मजा आएगा.
ट्रांसबिल।
ओह हाँ.
रिसर्च किया तूने?
मैं
मैंने तो
सपोज टू हाँ रिसर्च तो मैंने करना था बट नहीं किया
Well,
मैं
if you
रिसर्च.
don't know us, that's me, Kamini,
And me Vinayak.
and we're Podniti, where I research and he doesn't.
He doesn't. He just
Exists.
blabbers, exists,
And-
and runs.
Runs, and we're Podniti, and this is our podcast. Welcome to our podcast. ठीक है।
So, what was the trans bill? Like, why was it so? Why were
Spoken
people?
about.
Yeah, why were people furious about it?
Okay, so to
For a
understand
matter
what
of
is
fact, I know कि कुछ गलत हुआ है, but क्या गलत हुआ है? बहुत लोग for थे, बहुत
गलत,
लोग against.
तो गलत सही हम नहीं बता सकते बिकॉज हम राइट
है
अथॉरिटी
नहीं,
नहीं है,
वही,
ना ही हम उन स्ट्रगल से डील करते हैं. व्हाट वी कैन टेल यू इज व्हाट वी नो एंड व्हाट वी हैव रेड, और एटलीस्ट आई हैव रेड. सो
And I
ओके,
will tell you on my very limited knowledge.
हाँ, जो भी मतलब आई थिंक विद ट्रांस देयर इज आल्सो सो मच मिस्ट्री अराउंड इट इन हेटेरोनॉर्मेटिव स्पेसेस. इंग्लिश में बोलती हूँ मैं फिर से.
मेरे को आता है, समझ में आ गया. बट हिंदी में बोलो, जिनको
But ठीक
समझ
है,
में नहीं
हाँ,
आया
तो-
उनके लिए.
ट्रांस लोगों के अराउंड इतनी मिस्ट्री हम अपने दिमाग में लेके घूमते हैं क्योंकि हमारे एक्सपोजर्स बहुत लिमिटेड है उनको, तो वो ऑलरेडी हमको थोड़ा ऐसा अननॉलेजेबल साउंड कराते हैं. मतलब हमको पता नहीं है बहुत ज्यादा, तो हम और गवार लगते हैं उनके बारे में बात करने में.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको? कौन सा नॉलेज इज डेंजरस?
Incomplete, half knowledge.
Half knowledge is-
Half knowledge is dangerous. Absolutely.
Drive slow.
Yeah.
Slow,
So,
on 20,
which is why all you can have at this point is opinions, opinions, at least from us, because neither of us
No,
identify.
not exactly opinions. It's just a conversation that we are conversationing about.
Okay, on that note, so trans bill, what essentially has now happened is earlier during NALSA 2019, you can read about NALSA 2019 क्योंकि उसमें गए तो बहुत ज़्यादा time जाएगा. But NALSA 2019 was a Supreme Court decision that gave trans the identity of others. पहले सिर्फ मेल फीमेल होते थे किसी भी गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म पे या किसी भी चीज पे. You could only declare yourself as binary और उसमें
Either
gender
या तो male या female.
correct gender पूछा
But
जाता
there
था.
is there used to be three things: male, female, and others.
Correct. That was NALSA 2019.
Okay.
उसके बाद आया है others.
Great.
Now the current bill which was spoken about, not current मतलब ऐसे 2 महीने 1 महीने पहले वाला, is what has happened is पहले identification could be self-declared. You could self-identify.
But this happened in India, or it's a Western concept?
No, it's been in India for ages.
अच्छा कि मैं अपने आप को I can call myself a cat.
Yeah. Cat नहीं, identify as one of these genders.
Okay, great.
Like for example, to prove that I'm a woman, I don't have to get checked by a doctor.
Medically checked.
Yeah.
But now you have to.
Now you have to.
So the bill
For
is passed.
trans. Yeah.
The bill is passed?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
So now for trans person, they can't declare themselves as trans. They had a trans UDID. There was a ID card that they had specifically for them. And that exists after 2014 and digitalization with the current government. Every backward or backward nahi,
Whatever
but,
you are, it's on paper.
नहीं हाँ whatever you are is on paper and there's a specific ID card for it. It's not like जैसे हम आधार card we can claim as our identity card, right? Same way there's a UDID card for trans. There's one for disabled people or specially abled people with disabilities. उनके लिए एक अलग है. Same way trans के लिए पहले होता था कि you could just declare on your own
that
if you want to. हाँ. So there were still tests. There was a regional medical officer that would check you out, whether psychological, whether physiological, and then would give you the card if you're applicable for it. Now that does not exist. Now only if you're physiologically मतलब biologically trans do you get that card.
अच्छा पहले अगर मेरा मन करता being a male,
yes,
कि मेरे को ट्रांस बनने का मन है,
ट्रांस बनने का मन है, correct,
मतलब मेरे को बनना है,
हाँ, so you go into
I'm mentally
transition,
feeling trans,
yes,
तो मैं बन सकता,
yes, but it's a whole process also.
but अब मैं नहीं बन सकता,
नहीं, अब
why
नहीं
do
हो
you think
सकता
it's right only, no?
No, it's not, because पहले at least when people, and also it's not a, ऐसा नहीं होता ना मैंने आज decide किया trans. People grow up with not feeling like they belong in their body.
But there are things, no, जैसे आप when there is a birth, child birth, तो आप either you are a male or you are a female or you are others, which is trans.
Yes, which is sex.
Which is sex.
Sex and gender, two separate things. Sex is biological. Gender is societal.
Okay.
Just because you have boobs or a vagina does not make you a woman.
Okay. But don't you think whatever your sex is
your
tells
gender.
you what your gender is?
No.
Why?
Because if that were true, trans people, they could belong on a spectrum, right? Trans में तुम सब चीज club कर देते हो. What if there was a person that was born with both male and female genitalia, which means there's mammary glands, which means boobs, and there is a penis down there.
Okay.
That's a trans.
That's a trans.
There's people that are born with neither, right?
Everything's blocked.
Correct. Blocked नहीं मतलब
मैं तो अंदर से बोल रहा हूँ blocked.
हाँ valid,
like
but
hormonically
blocked, but they don't have sexual organs at all. So that's also trans. What you've essentially done is जो normally men जैसा दिख रहा है, like has a dick is man, has a
boob and vagina
is, but boob तो उतने छोटे में नहीं होता है. But जो भी vagina has a vagina is female, and so whatever else is there, that's others. अब whatever else में भी बहुत कुछ है. So how do you classify? Because there's trans women that exist with a vagina, but it does not bleed. Like they don't go through, their hormones are not present.
Because reproductive organs नहीं होते हैं.
Correct, exactly.
So would you, they and you, मतलब the trans people who are in for of it, they are saying कि male, female and others में भी compartments होने चाहिए.
नहीं, they're saying others मैं decide करूँगी कि
वो others क्या है?
क्या? Correct.
Which is somewhat right, but when it's others, when it's said it's others, it has all of the things included in it, right?
But वही है ना कि तुम ultimately तो तुम दो gender को importance दे रहे हो कि ये तुम या तो इस box में fit होते हो या तो इस box में fit होते हो या तुम सारे तीसरे.
या तो सारे.
ठीक है? From a paperwork point of view, yes, that's easier. ठीक है? But come to that, which is what I started with. Gender is also societal. It's psychological. It's not just physiological. Of course, physiology plays an important part, but there's also women that, or men for that matter, that irrespective of what body they're born in, they don't relate to it.
So that's a mental confusion.
Confusion confusion नहीं है.
नहीं,
They're very
mental
sure of
no, no.
what they want to be.
See, let's suppose I am physiologically a male.
हम्म.
मेरे पास मेल के सारे पार्ट हैं,
हाँ.
internally, externally,
Hormonally.
और हाँ, तो भी internally, externally सारे
हम्म.
पार्ट्स हैं. मतलब अगर मुझे चेक किया जाए तो I am a working male. मतलब
Working male.
working
My
as
God.
in all my parts are working, everything is male. Yeah, but I feel like I want to be a female. So can I be a female or I'll be a
Yes.
trans?
No. You transition, and then you get to a point where you can be absolutely biologically, hormonally, physiologically female. When you're going through that period, that's called transitioning. If there is even this thought, right? जैसे मैं एक simple समझाता हूँ. Why is it? मैं simple एक question है. Why is it that I, as a woman, can wear man clothes? I can wear a suit, tie, vest, and not be blinged at, right? However, if you were to wear a sari, you would get looked at differently.
ठीक है, ये तो सही बात है.
No, no.
This is all societal.
Which is what gender is. Who decided that sari is feminine or sari is, because shirt is not masculine or feminine.
That is decided by the society. जैसे मैं मम्मा की शर्ट पहन के घूमता ही
Correct. But mamma ki shirt is still the shirt is not.
I get what you're saying.
Which is what I'm saying. So there are things that society aligns to genders. So that is the thing I'm saying, that society aligns things to genders, and that's very true, especially because हम Hindi speaking communities है. Hindi speaking में, or as a language in general also, we have thrilling pulling for things also.
Thrilling and pulling.
Correct. Inanimate objects as well. But a lot of time they don't have a gender. For example, रेलगाड़ी.
It's all it.
Correct. Technically it is an it. It does not live. Yet हमारे में ट्रेन आती है, रेलगाड़ी आती है. It's a female.
It's a female.
Because that's how. Because that's how our languages have evolved.
फोन
But
गिर गई.
फोन गिर गई.
But it's फोन गिर गया.
फोन गिर गया भी है. फोन गिर गया ही है. फोन is pulling.
How?
We don't know.
Who said?
Who
Society.
Society.
फोन गिरने वाला है.
फोन गिर रहा हुआ है.
एक मिनट, ये तो हमने एजुकेट कर दिया लोगों
Yes.
को. अब हमारा वो हीटेड कॉन्वर्सेशन कहाँ गया? तो कन्विंस हो गया.
तू वही तो, तू कन्विंस क्यों हुए जा रहा है? तुझे ही तो
नहीं यार,
बोलना है.
because ये if I would get not convinced, I would be dumb. है ना? I would be dumb to not get convinced with whatever you are saying, because it's right. It's right on all parts. अगर ये थोड़ा एक पॉइंट पे भी थोड़ा भी ऊपर नीचे होता.
Exactly, because I fucking did my research.
U-turn and this will have this.
क्यों?
अरे U-turn लो ना.
क्यों?
अरे ये खाएंगे ना आइसक्रीम.
ओ अच्छा, आइसक्रीम. Sorry.
Because if I were like 1% dumb,
हाँ.
तो मैं बोलता ऐसा कैसे?
हाँ, valid.
But I am logical. I am a guy. I am a man.
हाँ, वही मैं बोल रही थी ना कि पिछली बार हमारा यही था कि there was a lot of things that you asked.
I think there was something that I did not agree to last time, which I told you कि
Gender ही मुझे याद है clearly कि
नहीं,
gender
we
and
were
sex.
talking about gender, sex and male. यहीं से लो ना. बहुत यहाँ कोई नहीं आ रहा रोड. Gender, sex and everything. ये बस now you take U-turn.
हाँ, से U-turn.
अरे ये उल्टा यहाँ ट्रैफिक सिग्नल वाला थोड़ी है.
ये तो कहीं और चले गए.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying.
अब चले गए.
Anyways,
ठीक है, घूम लेंगे.
तो अपन जो लास्ट टाइम बात कर रहे थे उसमें तुम ये बोल रहा था कि there are hormones in males, hormones in females.
Correct. Testes.
Testosterone.
Ovaries.
उसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे. जहाँ पे मेरे को 100% पता था कि मैं तुम्हें कन्विंस कर लूंगा.
नहीं.
जैसे इस वाले में तो
हो गया convince.
No, because this is very logical.
Correct.
अगर if I were थोड़ा सा
So let's bring that up again. No, let's bring that.
That is what I'm asking. What was that?
That was biological and वही.
Okay, that's all for our digital diary.
See you next time. Bye.
क्या? अरे मेरी माइक गिर गई. 1 मिनट. मेरी माइक गिर गई. मिल गई.
सीट बेल्ट में लगाता हूँ, सिक्योर रहेगा.
मैं कह रहा हूँ क्या है. बादाम शेक सब कुछ है, मतलब जो यहाँ लिखा हुआ है. चॉकलेट अटैक एंड व्हाट डू यू वांट? काजू शेक इज क्रेजी. Do 0.5 में.
0.5 पे हूँ.
Kaju shake is crazy. I always take kaju shake.
I could do ice cream.
Faluda?
Faluda नहीं हो. I don't like the सेवई type.
I like the सेवई.
Yeah.
मेरे लिए भैया एक काजू शेक, बादाम काजू नहीं है, बादाम शेक जिसको मेवाड़ प्रेम हम लोग कहते हैं ना, हमारे यहाँ मेवाड़ बोलते हैं. तो एक मेवाड़ प्रेम वनीला आइसक्रीम के साथ. ठीक है? What do you want?
Same.
2 मेवाड़ प्रेम वनीला आइसक्रीम के साथ. छोटा भैया, सब छोटा, पतला होने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. हाँ? अरे आपको पता नहीं ना मैं कहाँ था, कहाँ से शुरुआत करी मैंने. हाँ वही वाली. साला कर दिया मेरी.
भैया just went पतला तो नहीं होगा.
अच्छा, we could not hear भैया told me पतला तो आप नहीं होंगे. Insult at streets.
He also saw us recording though. Yeah. He was like, मैं भी famous तो हो जाऊँ.